Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope so that allow you. That you can well. So in today's video different crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Hello friends, today we are making beautiful crafts with simple buttons. First, to take some colorful buttons, you can make a flowers by sticking buttons in a circle on a card. Want something fun, make a rainbow pictures using different colors. So, you can also glue buttons on a photo frame and make it look new. For kids, try a cute button trees. Use a paper tree and stick buttons as leaves. These crafts are easy, fun and perfect for home decoration. Try them today and make your home colorful. Button wall art. Let's make wall art with buttons. Take a canvas or cardboard, draw a heart, star or any shapes you love. Now glue buttons inside the shape. Your wall art is ready, bright and colorful. Hang it on your room and enjoy your new decoration. Buttons keychains. Today we are making buttons keychains. Take some big buttons, a keyring and thread. Tie the button in a row, add the keyring and you are done. These keychains are cute, light and perfect for gifting. Try different color to make each keychain unique button gift card. Make your gift special with a handmade card. Take a blank card